The sun is shining, the birds are chirping, and the biting cold is warming into a temperate bliss. Spring is here, and if you're a green thumb, you've probably thought ahead about your garden game plan. But now that the ground is thawing, you can put that plan into action with the help of these grommets. Digging hole after hole can be tedious and exhausting, but Maxbit makes it simple and satisfying. The drill bit is perfectly sized for planting seedlings and bulbs, and you can't help but feel a little cool as you easily prep your garden for plants in a matter of minutes. Gardening often requires more tools than you can carry, but with little burros, you have a place for everything, and everything has a place on your wheelbarrow. From holsters for shovels and rakes, to a spot for a 5-gallon bucket, a cup holder, and a protected place to stow your phone, one trip carries everything you need. If you've got a bountiful garden, you can go one step further and give it a professional, manicured look. Kwik Edge helps you easily achieve a clean edge on your garden bed. It's like having an entire landscaping crew in just one tool. There are plenty of jobs that need to be done when gardening, and you want a tool that can keep up, like the elegant HORI from Barebones. It features a straight and serrated edge, a pommel base for hammering, a spade scoop, depth markers, and a twine cutter that doubles as a bottle opener to celebrate a number of jobs well done. Just as you're making progress in your garden, you hit a root. And that's where the aptly named Root Slayer can help. It's got an inverted V-blade lined with ripsaw teeth to cut through tough roots and gives you the leverage and access you need to dig them out. Everyone has a birdhouse, but you want something different. How about a hotel for ladybugs? A bungalow for butterflies, or perhaps a split level for bees? The beautifully designed habitat houses from Wildlife World attract beneficial insects and animals into your backyard ecology. If only you could charge rent, am I right? Your yard is looking great, and you're feeling great. Now get out there and go enjoy the beautiful spring season, all 2 weeks of it.